In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with connectors and layers in draw.io for Atlassian Confluence and Jira. To get started, open the Confluence page or Jira issue that already contains a draw.io diagram. In this example, we'll be working in Confluence, but the overall process is very similar in Jira as well. Once you're on the page, enter the page editor so you can interact with the diagram directly. Inside the editor, locate the draw.io diagram and select it. When you click on it, a floating toolbar will appear. From that toolbar, click the edit icon. This opens the draw.io diagram editor in a pop-up window inside Confluence, where you'll be able to make changes to the diagram itself. Now let's start with connectors. Open your diagram and hover your cursor over any shape. You'll notice blue connection arrows around it. To create a connector, drag from one of those blue arrows and drop the line onto another shape. Draw.io will automatically create a connector between the two objects. This is a quick and reliable way to show relationships, flow, or dependencies in your diagram. If you want to change how a connector looks, click to select the connector first, then move to the Format panel on the right side of the editor. In that panel, find the line section and expand it. From there, you can adjust the connector's style, color, width, arrowheads, size, spacing, and other visual settings. This is especially useful when you want to make your diagram clearer or match a certain style. Next, let's open the Layers panel. Go to the top menu bar, click View, and then choose Layers. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also open it with Ctrl+, Shift+L. In the Layers panel, click the plus icon at the bottom to create a new layer, and then rename it so it's easy to identify later. Keeping layers organized can make complex diagrams much easier to manage. To move shapes or connectors to a specific layer, select the item you want to move. Then return to the Layers panel, click the hamburger menu, hover over, move selection to, and choose the layer where that item should go. You can also hide or show layers by clicking the eye icon beside a layer. When the eye has a slash through it, everything on that layer is hidden. Click it again to make the layer visible once more. Finally, to lock a layer, click the lock icon next to it. The layer name will turn red, and the objects on that layer can no longer be moved or edited. Click the lock icon again whenever you want to unlock it. And that's it. You now know how to create and style connectors, organize content with layers, and control visibility and editing in draw.io.